嘅多嘅。咁而家呢度咧當然唔係10公斤咁多啦，咁所以其實一日咧會係咁補充食物俾佢嘅。咁啊食嘅份量咧其實算少㗎啦，因為其實通常一般野生大熊貓咧係食16公斤嘅。咁佢其他係食咩嘅咧？佢仲會食一啲蔬果類嘅食物啦，係啦，又或者係高纖維餅乾啦，去補充佢營養啦，係啦。The dark panda is now eating the leaf, every leaf, and throughout the day they can eat up to 10 kilograms of food. Yeah. Only for the bamboo that is 10 kilograms. And for the other type of food, we also eat them